Hi, Jez here. In this video we are revealing the rumored specifications of the Google Pixel 7 smartphone. Google has provided us with a sneak preview of the Google Pixel 7. We are aware of the appearance of the phone, which features newly designed camera lenses on the recognizable horizontal bar made of aluminium. The Pixel 7 will use the second-generation Tensor chip, as we had anticipated, further opening up all types of AI and machine learning capabilities in this fall's smartphones. The chipset is said to use the Samsung 5300 Exynos modem for connectivity. Reports claim that the Tensor chipset has of model number GS201 with the codename Cloudripper. The upcoming SoC will use a 4+2+2 triple-tier CPU layout, similar to the first-gen Tensor chip. The 4 low-end cores, which are based on Cortex-A55 architecture, will handle the less demanding tasks, and the 2 mid-cores and high cores will take over the high CPU-intensive tasks. The design of Google's Pixel 7 consists of the horizontal camera bar introduced with the Pixel 6 is expected to remain, although Google is making some adjustments. On the Pixel 7 Pro, there is a separate lens, which we presume is the telephoto shooter. The primary camera and ultra-wide camera are now grouped together. The cameras on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have been operated at maximum capacity. Google might modify the next-generation Pixel's design by including a selfie camera below the display. That is based on a Google patent that advances the under-display selfie camera technology that is presently found on some smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the ZTE Axon 30. By megapixeling a mirror system to reveal the camera or a section of the display depending on the situation. The base Pixel 7 is expected to be available in black, white, coral, and blue. Regarding the specifications and features of the Pixel 7, Google announced that it is developing a second-generation Tensor processor, which will replace the first-generation Tensor found in the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The AI applications made possible by the new Tensor chipset's machine learning core will be the bigger story. Since the introduction of Android 13 is just around the corner, the Google Pixel 7 series is anticipated to run Android 13 out of the box. Changes to Material Design 2.0, a new photo and video picker, of more private nearby device permission, new project mainline modules, Bluetooth Low audio, support for MIDI 2.0. More control over app alerts, and support for DNS over HTTPS are all included in Android 13. An app drawer button in the taskbar UI, HDR video support in the CAMERA2 API, battery-saving resolution settings, a new, unified security and privacy section, so you can easily manage the information you share with apps, 3D wallpapers with cinematic effects, a dark mode for bedtime, updated tablet screensavers, QR code shortcuts in settings, and new media controls are also anticipated in Android 13. Additionally, the OS will have a bandwidth restriction tool in the developer settings to enable you regulate internet speeds, and the data in the clipboard will be immediately deleted after an hour to protect users' privacy. According to an early Pixel 7 rumor, the Pixel 7's cameras would remain the same as those of the Pixel 6. If true, the Pixel 7 will include a 50-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, while the Pixel 7 Pro will add a 48-megapixel telephoto lens to those cameras. Google is using the same GN1 primary sensor and IMX381 ultra-wide sensor, the same as last year's flagships. Whereas the front camera is now using an 11-megapixel Samsung 3J1 sensor, both on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Both Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will be capable of shooting 4K from the front camera. The front camera on the Pixel 7 basic model may undergo one adjustment, though. The Pixel 7 might get a higher resolution sensor that allows this video quality based on code in the Google Camera app that indicates 4K video capabilities. It does appear that Google may reduce the Pixel 7's screen size from 6.4 inches on the Pixel 6 to 6.3 inches. According to a source, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will have displays that are similar to the Pixel 6 series with a few minor differences. According to reports, Google Pixel 7 will come with a 90Hz 6.3-inch display with 1080x2400p resolution, whereas the Pixel 7 Pro is expected to come with a 120Hz 6.7-inch display with a 1440x3120p resolution. Both smartphones are expected to use LTPO AMOLED displays and should retain the HDR10 Plus certification. Pixel 7 Pro's display would be brighter than its predecessor and is using a Samsung S63HC4 panel with a maximum 1000 nits brightness. These modifications have not yet been officially revealed by Google, although they are rumored. That's all for this video. Please subscribe our channel for more tech-related videos.